set the stage for the Afghans to work out a deal with the Taliban. But taking Pakistan on board with any eventual settlement, the US realizes that no peace deal is possible without the support of Pakistan. It is for the first time that a conference is being held between the opposition and the country home outside Friday. Afghan government will be represented by the higher. It is for the first time the Taliban's Pakistan-based leadership has sent representatives to speak. The peace process roadmap outlines the vision in which by 2015, Taliban, Hizbut Islami and other armed groups will give up armed opposition and transform themselves from military entities into political groups. They will take active participation in the country's political and constitutional process, including national elections. As expected, the roadmap emphasizes securing the collaboration of Pakistan in the peace process. This is
who are engaged in selecting and providing music for those who are physically or mentally wounded. In the United States alone, in NADA Center for Music Therapy, a non-governmental outfit, passionate volunteers, was established in India to propagate the concept of raga. Mind-boggling variety of ragas, folk music, country music, and also classical and semi-classical music. People were totally unaware of the impact of raga as a healing means. Hundreds of lectures, demonstrations, and some 400 articles